In this video, we'll show you what to consider before installing your iMOW robotic mower. The following video instructions can be used for the iMOW 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It also applies to the corresponding EVO variants. In addition to the iMOW robotic mower, the box will include the docking station, 4 ground pegs, the iMOW ruler, a charging cable and power supply, 6 spare blades, as well as a user manual and quick guide. For the installation of the perimeter wire and guide wire, you will also require one of our install kits. Install kits are available in different sizes to suit different gardens and includes a wire coil, fixing pins, wire connectors, and 5 cable markers that will help you to correctly match the wire ends during installation. We will use the Bio install kit with biodegradable fixing pins. Keep the necessary tools at hand and remember to use gloves and safety glasses. Before starting the installation of the iMOW robotic mower, you should first prepare the lawn. Begin by clearing all items from the mowing area. Then cut your lawn to the height you want the robotic lawn mower to mow later. If the soil is particularly dry, we recommend that you water the lawn's perimeter first. Doing so helps the fixing pins to be pushed into the ground more easily.